much experience do you have driving a pontoon boat?
Now I have 100% experience. Before it was 0.
Can you give it to me in a timeline, like 3 minutes?
3 minutes.
Perfect.
Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up. Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up.
We're Duane and Deana Floro of the Best of Us, the Floros. We are weekend warriors and we sure love to travel, but we've not been able to in the last month or so because we moved to a new area. So in the meantime, we took some time just to look around where we moved to and see the beautifulness of the area of this part of Ohio. We hope you enjoy and just go along with us as we travel on the lake and we hike and just be with family. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love for you to do so to be part of our new growing community. Welcome to the Best of Us, the Floros.
Lynn, are you going for a hike? All right, we're coming.
We're going to the waterfall.
We're going to the waterfall.
Get in the truck, I'll have them.
She just has no crack for the dogs.
We need a second set for the car.
It's just really pretty.
Here we are at the waterfalls. What an exciting place. It's just incredible to look at the rock formations, to just see how nature takes care of itself, the peacefulness of the water as it comes over the rocks, and just the stillness of the forest. And Deana and I were just admiring how the rocks, when they crack and they fall, create a whole new tapestry of artwork that's unlike anywhere else.
probably tall enough, right? Yeah.
Here we are at the waterfalls, just having a great time. The shade, the peace, the sound of the water coming over the rocks, just amazing. Even when a rock breaks loose and changes its location, how it just makes a new tapestry for here in the woods, a thing of beauty. And just see the finger of God at work through His creation and how it's much more marvelous than before.
Right.
Just so peaceful, beautiful day to be doing this, and great to be with the kids.
Ohio is such an amazing state. We've only been
Yes.
here, what, almost 20 years.
Yes.
We haven't seen a whole lot of it. We've seen the cities, but just to get out, and this is not very far from where we've moved to.
No.
And it's just an amazing day being with our kids, one of our kids.
And granddaughter.
And, yeah. And it's just, our son-in-law knows about all these places. So
Absolutely. So we just follow along.
Yeah.
But it's amazing how striking places are so close to us if we just
know.
slow down a little bit and take a look. I think right now is a time for us to slow down a little bit. We're all feeling kind of pressured.
Oh, yeah.
But my goodness, just to pause and look around you.
Yeah, and just get outside. I mean, right
Yes.
now, next week, we get to start camping again.
Yes.
But we've not camped in over a month with moving. And so just get outside and look
Yes.
around your area. All the states have amazing places. I mean, we want to go out west, but I mean, this is so beautiful here.
Oh, it is.
I mean, look in your own backyard to see what you have.
Well, and I feel like we ought to break into a song like Roy Rogers and Dale Evans because it
If
says...
you just aged yourself.
Okay, maybe a little bit. But
Yeah.
they would sing the song Happy Trails to You.
Right.
And the trails really do bring a
Oh.
joy and a peace to your heart.
It's
So,
just so amazing.
yes,
And this was what, 20 minutes, 15 minutes from our house.
about that.
Oh, we didn't know about it.
Yes.
So just get on your phone and search what's around you.
Mhm.
And if you can't travel out of state, travel in your state.
You still want to keep distance from individuals?
Right.
You wide open spaces let you do that. So,
What is it?
Oh, just down here.
yeah, you come up here.
No, I want to go down there first. Finally, it's a peace of quiet.
Do you want to stay with Mama? Why not?
I had a good shot of that child, and that lady stood right in front of my camera shot. I paid good money for this seat.
You got my husband's booty?